Hey everyone, Nikhil this side. So in this video, we will see the differences between the TypeScript and the JavaScript. So TypeScript is a superset of the JavaScript and it is maintained by the Microsoft. So it builds and compiles to the JavaScript itself. So TypeScript is a programming language based on the JavaScript. So now we have some differences. So TypeScript is a static language and the JavaScript is dynamic. So we need to statically define the types and the return types of the variables and the functions, and not like the JavaScript where we can add any type of value to any type of variable. So in the TypeScript it is not allowed. So TypeScript is a strongly typed language and the JavaScript is a loosely typed. So basically JavaScript is a language which can be tricky at some times, and there are no any such restrictions in the JavaScript as you have in other programming languages like the C Sharp, Java, C++. And example, if you can declare a variable as a number and later provide a value as a string or any other data type to that, so this doesn't allow to you in the TypeScript. So in the JavaScript you can like this, but the TypeScript will throw an error. And now the next feature is the TypeScript is the more oops focus. So TypeScript follows the oops paradigm, which helps to enable the powerful oops concept. Till the ES5 JavaScript, there were no any oops and we were using the functions to create the classes. But now in the ES6, even the JavaScript has the oops concepts, but it is not up to the mark, and they are just special type of functions which we are using. So the TypeScript makes the best use of the oops. And now the next feature we have, the TypeScript supports all the JavaScript features and there's more features externally, like the union types where we can have more than one data type variables into that, and the enums which are the constant variables, and we have some tuples which have fixed number of elements in the array, and then we have the interfaces, and then we have the generics, and the JavaScript has the less features as compared to the TypeScript. So these are the differences between the TypeScript and the JavaScript. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you will like the video. Guys, please subscribe to the channel if you are new.